So कॅप्टन विर्यातोन स्टेटमेंट काढलं तेन्ना तुमी एक आयकून जाय पडलें केन्ना आयज एक हें जालें आर्ट जालें कला जालें रील करपाक एकूच सेंटेन्स काडप आनी रील करपाक लोकांक घुसपोवपाक केन्ना गाता आसतना सगळें तेगे म्हणलें तें पयलीं म्हणलां आनी उपरांत म्हणलां त्या सेंटेन्सान मुडपाचें आनी मागीर तुका कॉन्टेक्स्ट कळटलो कितें म्हणलें तें कॅप्टन विर्यातो एक व्हेरी रिस्पेक्टेड नेवल ऑफिसर कॅप्टन विर्यातो सर्वीस केला देशा खातीर कॅप्टन विर्यातो कारगिल वॉरा डेकोरेटेड वॉरियर असले मनशाक आनी कितें म्हणूं जाता केन्ना देशद्रोही जातले असले मनीस दीज आर पीपल हू लिव्ड and were ready to die for our nation. So first thing is, I want to say that this is a sign that the BJP is frustrated and they know that Captain Viriato is on his way to winning the seat and that is why this kind of allegations are being made. I have absolutely no fear of the complaint which has been filed. I have absolutely no tension about it. Let the election commission send a notice. We will give a reply and I will ensure that we knock out that complaint and we will prove that what Captain Viriato has said is neither unconstitutional nor illegal nor anything contrary to the model code of conduct. There is a second part in that issue, in that complaint to me podela. That second part kite besides talking about the constitution, they mulla that he has spoken on dual citizenship. And that they have got very shocked with the dual citizenship thing. And I think CM Munda that people are living in the Portuguese era or whatever, I don't know what are his exact words, but he has related that back to the Portuguese. I think somewhere down the line, everybody, including the complainants, have forgotten that LM Singhvi Commission appointed law by the NDA government when Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. And LM Singhvi, after consultation with the Indian diaspora मुळा ते भायर आहात तेंचे consultation करून त्याने रिपोर्ट दिल्लो to give dual citizenship आणि मागीर उपरांत government of India government gave OCI which was prior Congress had given PIO, they came with OCI. So you look at this and it was said at that time this is a step in the process of giving dual citizenship. आता 3 महिने फाटी आमचो मिनिस्टर ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स जयशंकरान एक स्टेटमेंट केला that the issue of dual citizenship is still alive. So therefore, if you forget what your leaders are talking on the national and international level, I think or तेंका बरोवन स्क्रिप्ट दिला तो कंप्लेन घालपाक बेश्टो हेडलायन्स करपाक and based on it to try to see whether they can secure negative points against Captain. But I think that this is completely misinterpreted, complete misreading of law and totally untenable.